Standard bracket. Before installing your PTM, ensure that it's powered on and transmitting data to the portal. You can then place the door back on and screw in the 2 slot head bolts using the supply tools until they feel secure, without over-tightening them. Next, place the standard brackets into the dedicated slots on the back of the PTM and fix them into place using the supplied slot head bolts, again without over-tightening them. For this installation we are using these metal cable ties, which slide perfectly into the cutouts of the brackets. Depending on the size of the pole you're installing the device on, you may have to double them up. Once you're ready and both cable ties are in place, you can begin fixing the device to the pole, making sure the device is facing the desired direction. Using a cable tie tensioning gun, simply cut off the excess tails. And just like that, your PTM is installed and ready to capture data. We will now walk you through the process of installing your PTM using the standard bracket on the wall. Ensure you have the PTM unit, the standard bracket, a drill with the appropriate masonry drill bits, a spirit level, wall blocks and screws readily available. Before installing your PTM, ensure that it's powered on and transmitting data to the portal. You can then place the door back on and screw in the 2 slot head bolts using the supply tools until they feel secure, without over-tightening them. Begin by holding the standard bracket against the wall at the desired installation height. Check your level using the spirit level to ensure the bracket is perfectly horizontal. Once level, use your pencil or marker to mark through the bracket holes onto the wall. Next, select the correct masonry drill bit for your wall material. This is crucial for a secure installation. You can now drill the first holes, holding the drill steady and straight to ensure a clean opening. Place the anchor bolt with the sleeve into the hole and gently unscrew the Torx bolt from the sleeve, leaving behind the washer. Place the bracket back onto the wall, aligning its holes with the newly inserted wall plugs, and begin screwing the Torx bolt in until it's flush. Then simply slide the anchor bolt into the next hole and give it a couple turns with the supplied tools until it's flush, and gently unscrew the Torx bolt, leaving behind the anchor sleeve. Then slide the bracket back over the second hole and begin screwing the Torx bolt in until it's flush. And just like that, your PTM is fully mounted on the wall and the device is ready to capture data.